Okay, hello everybody. Hello Mauricio, hello Alex, hello Andrea, hello Tefi. Welcome to the class. Okay, let's see. Mauricio, how are you today?
I'm fine and happy. And you?
Okay, that's fine. I'm good today. Thank you for asking. What about you, Tefi? How are you?
I'm okay.
Okay, that's good. What about you, Alex? How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
Okay, good. I am good today. Thank you. Let's see. Andrea, how are you today?
Hello, I'm fine. And you?
Very good. I am good. Thank you for asking. Maria Jose, how are you?
Hello, good night.
Hi,
Okay.
good night. Very good. You're fine. Well, welcome to the class. Abigail, how are you?
I'm very fine.
Okay, that's good. I am good today. Thank you. So you are very fine. Well, guys, thank you for being here on time. It's time to start with the class. So welcome, everybody. Have a good evening. We're going to start with a game today in our class. So let me see. Let me share my screen with you. And we're going to start. Let's see. Okay, everybody, can you see my screen? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, so today let's play charades. What are charades? So I will write an activity on the chat and you have to make the mimic, okay? Yo voy a escribir una actividad en el chat para una persona. Esa persona tiene que hacer movimientos, mímicas, para que adivinemos cuál es la actividad. Okay, so to start with this, okay, my first volunteer is going to be Maria Jose. Okay, so Maria Jose, I will send you an activity on the chat and you have to make mimics. Okay, so you have to move and the others you have to guess. Los demás adivinamos. Okay, so let me see. Okay. Okay, Maria Jose, do you have the activity? Yes, on the chat? Yes, okay. Everybody pay attention to Maria Jose, okay? So what is the activity, guys? Go ahead, Majo.
Repeat, please.
Okay, you have to make mimics. You have to move to see what is the activity. And the others guess. Los demás adivinan, okay? Okay. Go, Maria Jose, go. Okay, so what is the activity, guys?
Dancing.
Dancing.
Okay, very good, Tefi. Very good, Rodrigo. It's dance or dancing. Very good job. Thank you. Now let's see. Our next volunteer is, okay, it's going to be Alex. Okay, Alex, I will write a message for you. Let me see. Okay, something difficult. Okay, there you go, Alex. So move and do some activity and the others guess the activity. Go ahead. Okay, what is the activity? Repeat again, Alex.
Playing basketball.
Excellent, Mauricio. That's the correct activity. So well done. Let's see now. Let's pay attention to Rodrigo. Okay, Rodrigo, you will be our volunteer now. Let's see. Another difficult activity. Please, Rodrigo, tell me. Give me a second. Okay. Do you have the activity? Yes. Okay, everybody pay attention to Rodrigo. Oh. Okay, what is that activity?
No sé cómo decirlo en inglés, pero como inflar globos y pegarlos.
No,
decorar.
that's not
Decorate.
the activity. Let's see. Okay, let's see. I think, okay. So what is the activity, Rodrigo?
Sí, eso era.
Okay.
No
And
sé
how do you
tampoco cómo se dice en inglés.
Oh, no, I send you a word on the chat, Rodrigo. Yo también una palabra en el chat a ti.
Ok, ahorita. No. Sync.
Okay, that's the word I send you. Esa es la palabra que yo te envié, que tú tenías que hacerla. Okay?
Sorry,
Yes,
sorry.
pero ya lo dijiste, okay, ni modo. Okay, another word, Rodrigo, okay? You have to do the activity I send you, okay? Let me see.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Okay, Rodrigo. Another activity. Don't say the activity, okay? Don't say the activity. Just mimics, okay? Okay, Rodrigo. What is the activity? Everybody pay attention.
Right.
Right.
Okay, very good. Drive a car. So very good. Let's see another person right now. Let's pay attention to, okay, Tefi. It's an opportunity, Tefi. Let's see another activity for you. Something difficult, okay? Okay, so what is the activity?
Cook.
Very good, Abigail. Very good, Rodrigo. It's cook. Okay, so thank you. You did a great job. Well, our last volunteer in today's opportunity is going to be Mauricio. Okay, Mauricio, let me send you a verb. Okay. Okay, very good. Now, are you ready, Mauricio? Yes, okay, go ahead. Let's see. Oh, wait a moment, guys. There you go, Mauricio. What is the activity?
Exercise.
Very good, Tefi. Exercise or do exercise. Both options are correct. Do exercise, good. Exercise, good. Very good. Today, we are talking about different activities that we can do. So we will start with our class. And what is our class about? Today's class, everybody, it's about present progressive, okay? So today, let's pay attention to our activities. Well, to start with our class, listen to Andrea. Okay, Andrea, read the example and the structure.
Okay. Present progressive. They are chatting on WhatsApp. Structure, subject, verb to be, verb ing, and complement.
Present progressive. So they are chatting on WhatsApp. We use these 4 parts to create a sentence in present progressive. Now, let's check what is the use of present progressive. Maria Jose, read please the examples in the timeline.
An action taking place right now.
Number 2.
Planning future action.
Very good. So, as you see, present progressive, well, today we will learn about 2 uses of present progressive. Number 1, activities at this moment, okay? Activities at this moment, right now. So ahorita, right now. Then the other use, it's about future plans, okay? But to continue with this, let's check, let's check the structures. Remember, this is the structure for an affirmative sentence, okay? Affirmative. They are chatting on WhatsApp. But then we have another example in, well, some examples in negative form. For example, let me see. For example, let's pay attention to it. Please help me, Abigail, with example, the first example, okay? Read this example in the structure.
I am not eating pizza. Subject, the plus. No sé cómo. What you say?
Plus, verb to be.
Plus. Okay. Subject plus verb to be plus not plus verb and G plus complement.
Okay, very good. Now, well, before we continue, Tefi, what is your question?
My question is present progressive y present continuous.
Yes, that's
Es el
right.
mismo.
Yes. So I will write it on the chat. Okay. So present progressive, guys, is the same as present continuous. Okay. So progressive, present continuous. So it has the 2 names. So present continuous, good. Present progressive, good. It's the same. Okay. Lo mismo, the same. So very good job. Let's continue now. As you see in negative, we only need to use verb to be and not. Okay. So verb to be, not. Then we continue with the same structure, the verb in ing and the complement. Now, Mauricio, what are the next 2 examples? Okay, for example,
where we aren't singing a song, and she isn't listening to music.
very good. Well, as you see, all the verbs have something. Okay, all the verbs have something in this, well, in these structures, and it's the ing. Okay, in these sentences, to talk about these sentences, we use ing. So we say singing, listening. Okay, so we need to mention the ing form. Also, we have eating. Okay, very good. Okay, Stephanie, thanks for telling me. Gracias por avisar, okay? So that's fine. Now, let's continue and check some yes, no questions. Let's see, give me a second. Okay, let me show you, okay? Let's see, we have yes, no questions and also WH questions. Let's listen to, well, let's listen to Alex. Okay, Alex, help me right now with the yes, no questions, example and structure.
Example, are you playing tennis? And the expression is verb to be plus subject plus verb ing plus complement.
Very good. Now, Rodrigo, what is the structure of WH question? The example and the structure. Go ahead.
What is he dancing? The structure WH plus verb to be plus subject plus verb ing.
Okay. ing, very good. So as you see, when we use ing form, when we use present progressive form, we are talking about actions that are happening at this moment, okay? The main focus of it is about activities at this moment. So, for example, chatting on WhatsApp, listening to the teacher, drinking water, activities at this moment. So before we continue with this, let me move, let's move to our next part. And it's about the rules in ing form, okay? We have some rules to create the verbs. What is the first one, Tefi? What is number one?
Como dijo teacher,
Oh, read rule number one.
common rule, verb plus ing, read, reading, listen, listening, 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 this or that.
Yes,
Play,
listening. That's right.
Play.
Huh?
Play, playing, walk, walking.
Excellent. Good pronunciation. So, as you see, for most of the verbs, we only add ing. Okay? For most of the verbs, not all the verbs, but most of them. Now, in the second rule, we have something important. Please help me with this, Maria Jose. What is the rule number 2?
Verbs ending in consonant plus a
E.
it omit the e.
Okay, very good. Now the examples, I'm sorry.
Make, making, dance, dancing, write, writing, take, taking.
Very good. As you see in all the examples, we use a consonant and letter E. Dance, consonant, letter E. Write, consonant and letter E. And take, consonant and letter E. Okay, so as you see, we eliminate the letter E and then we add ing. Okay, and the pronunciation is the same. So we have to pronounce, we have to say ing, dancing, writing. Okay, so we always mention the ing form. Okay, now let's check our next rules and pay attention to Andrea. Okay, Andrea, read number 3.
Verbs ending in ee, change the e to lie, lying, dying, dying. No sé cómo se pronuncia.
Remember IE and Y, okay? Very good. Well, that was fine. As you see, we have these letters. IE, we eliminate IE, and we change it for a letter Y. We have die. Okay, we change IE into a letter Y, and then we add ing. So lie, lying, die, dying. Okay, so we follow this structure for these verbs. But now we have the last one. Please, Alex, what is number 4?
The rule of the number 4. Verbs ending in consonant plus vowel plus consonant, double the last letter. Get, getting. Run, running.
Okay, let's see, Mauricio. What is the last letter of the verb get?
T.
Oh, it's the letter T. So we double the letter T. Why? Because this is a short verb and it follows the structure. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Then we have the verb run. Maria Jose, what is the last letter of the verb run? Oh, Maria Jose, what is the last letter?
ing.
Oh, of run. Remember run.
Run.
So what is the last letter?
Running.
Oh, the last run. The last letter, la última, the last letter. Okay, Alex, what is the last letter of run?
The letter N.
Ah, the letter N. Maria Jose, what is the last letter of the verb run?
Letter N.
Letter N, very good. So, as you see, it is consonant, vowel, consonant. So we double the last consonant, okay? We double the last consonant and then we add ing, okay? These are the rules for you to practice, okay? And to use the verbs in the correct form. Now, let's check, give me a second. Okay, let's check this. As you remember, we have two uses for present progressive. What is number one, Andrea? What is the first use of present progressive? Okay, Mauricio, what is the first use of present progressive?
Okay. Is a letter, sorry, is a reading.
Oh, yes. Help me. Well, help me with this part. No, only this part.
Oh, activities and this moment.
Very good. Today, we have present progressive for two different uses. Number one, it's about activities at this moment. So this is present. This is present, okay? So activities that we do or we are doing at this moment. So at this moment, what is the activity at this moment? Let's see, let me see. Abigail, what activity are you doing at this moment?
Reading.
Okay, reading. Okay, that's a good activity. So reading, let me see, I will copy some activities. Reading. Maria Jose, what is the activity you do at this moment? Right now.
We're in class.
Oh, you are in class. So, well, have English classes, maybe. Okay, have English class. Let's see. Andrea, what activity you do right now in present?
Watching.
Oh, watching. What are you watching? The class?
Yes. Watching the class.
TV, come on, no, TV, no, okay, right now, no TV, guys, okay? So watching the class, very good, okay? So these activities are in present, okay, in this moment. Teacher, and you, what is the activity you do? I drink water, I am drinking water, okay? That's my activity in present. So let's move right now and check some examples in, well, this moment. Let me see. Oops, I'm sorry. Let's check some examples at this moment. So let me move. Okay, here you go. Let's see, what is the first use? Please help me with this, Abigail. What is the first use of present progressive? Number one.
I am speaking. This is
Oh, number one. Describes.
Oh, describe actions that are occurring at this moment.
Very good. Okay, so help me now. Okay, well, thank you, Abigail, for helping me with this. Now, as you can see, we use, I'm sorry, as you can see, we use present progressive to describe activities that happen or are happening at this moment, right now. Abigail read one example. I am speaking English. So let's see. Mauricio, what is this activity in the picture?
Not listening.
Oh, you don't listen. What is the picture? What is the, sorry, what is the activity in the picture? The picture in red. What is this action?
Talking in the UK.
Okay, yes, or maybe speaking English, okay? So that's also possible, okay? So speaking English. Then help me with the next example, Tefi. Example number 2.
You are studying right. No, espérame. Me equivoqué.
Oh, yes,
You are studying right now.
very good. So what is this action, Tefi? In the picture?
Reading.
Reading or studying, okay? In this case, study. It's also possible, okay? Studying. Then we have the last example, please. Now, Maria Jose, help me with example number 3.
She is dancing in the class.
Very good. So what is the action that it's over here in the picture?
Dancing.
Dancing. So as you see, we are talking about activities that are happening at the moment, okay? And how do you know about that? Let me give me a second, guys. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, I don't know if you can read this, guys, but we use time expression to identify the present action at the moment someone is talking. So for example, what are the time expressions for today's, for this part? Alex, what are the time expressions?
Now, right now, and at this moment.
Very good. If you talk about one action that is happening in this moment, in the present, so we have to use these expressions, okay? For example, my example, I am speaking English right now. What about you, Alex? What are you doing?
I'm learning English at this moment.
Excellent, you're learning English. What about you, Abigail? What are you doing?
I am watching the class
You're
at
watching the
this
class
moment.
at this moment. Okay, nice job. What about you, Rodrigo? What are you doing right now?
I am walking.
You are walking. Okay, that's good. Thank you for telling me. What about you, Mauricio? What are you doing?
Studying in, in studying English.
Oh, very good. But who is studying English? I, you, who is studying English?
I am.
Okay, so tell me the...
I'm.
Very good. I am, continue.
I'm studying in English.
Very good. Maria Jose, what are you doing right now?
I am learning English.
Very good. So we are talking about activities that we are doing at this moment, right now. Okay? So we use the time expression to identify that the action is at this moment. But now we have the second use of present progressive. Let me check. Okay? The second use of present progressive is, let me see, Maria Jose, read. Number 2.
Describe a future actions.
Okay, so we use it to talk about future. So we talk about present and we talk about future. Let's check the examples. Please right now, Andrea, read example number 1.
They are having a party.
Oh, give me a second, guys. Well, it's fine. Okay, they're having a party. Thank you. Now, Mauricio, what is example number 2?
I am traveling to Spain.
Very good. This is the same structure of the sentence. What could be the difference? The difference could be through the time expressions. So we can say, they are having a party when? Tomorrow. Or I am traveling to Spain. When? Next month, maybe. So we are in February, in March, that person is traveling to Spain. Okay, so as you see, we can use this, we can use present progressive for present and for future. Okay, what is the difference? Let's check together. Let me see. Okay, what is the difference? Please, Maria Jose, read example about right now.
The rock is doing exercise right now.
Okay, very good. Now, please help me with the next example, Rodrigo. Example number 2 about Rihanna.
Rihanna is having a concert next month.
Very good. So let's check now. Alex, what is the difference between the two sentences?
The time expression.
Ah, the time expression. Mauricio, what sentence is in present? What sentence is in present now, at this moment?
Number 1, the rock is doing exercise right now.
Okay, and how do you know that it's in present?
What?
How do you know that it's in present, or why is in present?
Is it talking about right now?
Ah, very good, because it says right now, so that's right. And what about sentence number 2, Abigail? Is in present or future?
Future form.
Future. Why is in future?
Because it's the next month.
It's next month. Okay, so obviously future. Very good. As you see, well, let's ask another person. Let's see, Andrea. Is the same structure in the two sentences? The same structure? Subject, verb to be, and ing? Yes or no?
No.
No. So what is the
Ah,
structure?
sorry.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, the same structure. So what is the only difference that they have, Andrea? What is the difference, Andrea, in the two sentences?
And difference is qué está haciendo y en la otra qué va a hacer.
Okay, thank you for Spanish. Okay, thank you for the answer, but not Spanish. Okay, remember. Okay, yes, that's the difference. But in English, we can say that one time expression is in present, the other time expression is in future. Okay, remember, present progressive, in present and future. Right now, we are going to practice some of these activities. Just give me a second. Okay. Let's check together some practices, guys, to learn about present progressive or to use present progressive correctly. Right now, to start with our class, let me see. Okay, today to check the correct use of present progressive, we are going to complete an activity. To complete this activity, I will ask for help. Well, I will ask you for help. You have to tell me which is the correct sentence. Let's start with Maria Jose. Maria Jose, tell me, number 1, what is the correct sentence? He is studying for an exam or he are studying for an exam?
He is studying for an exam.
Okay, very good. He is studying for an exam. Let's see, thank you. Tell me right now, Abigail, what is the correct sentence number 2?
The number 1, they are talking.
They are talking. Okay, yes, that's right. Very good. Now, number 3. Tefi, what is the correct sentence?
She's not running.
So, number 1 or number 2?
Two.
Okay, very good. Alex, let's continue with the next sentence. Number 4, which is correct?
The number 1. Are you listening?
Okay, very good. Mauricio, what is number 5?
Um, number 2, there are swimming.
Oh, they are swimming. Okay, very good. Let's see, Andrea, what is number 6?
Number 1, the boy is not running.
Nice. Okay, the boy is not running. Number 7. Okay, well, this is kind of difficult. Let's see. Help me with this, Rodrigo. What is number 7?
Number 1, I'm eating cake.
Very good. So the contraction is correct. Now let's check. Okay, Maria Jose, what's number 8?
We're playing soccer.
So number 1 or number 2?
We're playing soccer. Number 1.
Number 1. Are you sure, Majo? Maria Jose?
No, number 2.
Number 2. Why is number 2 the correct one?
No sé cómo explicar.
Okay, so what is the structure of present progressive? What is the first thing in the sentence?
Subject.
Okay, the subject, and then?
Verb to.
Okay, verb to be, yes, and then? Oh, repeat again. What is the next part?
Verb to be con ing.
Oh, ing verb, sorry, ing verb, and then the complement, right? So, according to that structure, what is the correct example, Maria Jose? Number 1 or number 2?
Number 2.
Yes, it's number 2. So very good. Okay, in this case, as you see as you see number 1, okay, we have verb to be twice. So we have the contraction and then we have are. So that's why it's not correct. Okay, very good. Let's see, continue. Andrea, what is number 9?
Number 1.
Number 1. What is the sentence number 1?
The children are playing.
Nice. And Mauricio, number 10.
Lisa is not reading. 2.
Number 1?
Number 2.
Oh, number 2. Very good. Okay, well done, guys. We have, let's see. I cannot, yes. Let me see. Okay, we can finish the quiz. As you see, our score was, was 100%. Okay, so we did it perfectly. Well done. Okay, now let's continue. It was a practice about structure, but now let's practice present progressive to talk about plans, to talk about future plans. So let's move to our next activity. Let me see. Okay. As you see, the question is, what are your plans today, Mr. President? We are talking about plans in the future, okay, or future plans. Let's check. Remember, we follow the same structure in present progressive. So what is the first sentence, Abigail? Sentence number one. Let me do it. Okay. What is activity number one? First,
I am going. Joe,
I am,
what do you say? This word?
oh, jogging?
Jogging in the next month.
Okay, very good. Well, remember that for today. Even though it's talking about today, remember it's talking about the whole day. Okay, so it starts in the morning and it finishes at night. Okay, so we are talking about the plans during the day. Very good. Let's move to the next example. Alex, what is the second sentence?
Maybe then I having coffee.
I
am
oh, oops, I'm sorry. I am
having coffee.
Okay, very good. I am having coffee. Thank you, Mauricio. What is example number 3?
I am having a press conference.
Okay, I am having, nice job. Let's see, Andrea, what is example number 4?
I am singing documents for an
Okay.
hour.
Okay, very good. So that was a great sentence. Thank you, thank you. Let's see, let's move on with Rodrigo. Rodrigo, number 5. What is the complete sentence? Next.
I am meeting the ambassador.
Ambassador. Okay, very good. And meeting, oops, I'm sorry. I am meeting the ambassador. Maria Jose, what is number 6?
I am having lunch in the cafeteria.
Okay, I'm having lunch in the cafeteria. Well done. Let's continue. And okay, listen to Tefi. What is number 7, Tefi?
I'm meeting with my staff after lunch.
Okay, I am meeting with my staff after lunch. Very good. Now, let's check. Okay, let's continue right now with number 8. Well, this example is kind of weird, so I will help you with number 8. Let's see, please, Abigail, what is example number 8?
I am.
I am, and that's it. Okay, if you
I don't
remember
remember.
this, you don't remember, don't worry, okay? If you remember the structure, guys, we use subject, verb to be, and ing. So we have the subject, I. What is the verb to be for I? Rodrigo, what is the verb to be for I? Maria Jose, what is the verb to be for I?
I am.
Am. So very good. So am. I am. Now, then we have to use a verb in ing. Okay? If you check the other examples, we use the verb in parentheses with ing. In this case, the verb in parentheses that we have is be. So we have to use be again. Okay, it is not very common, guys. It's not very common to use verb to be twice, but this example is like this. Okay, so what is the correct form of the verb to be with ing? What do you think?
Being.
Okay, so we say being. Very good. Being, like this. Okay, as I said before, these sentences are not very common. Okay, that's why it looks a little bit weird, but that's the correct form. Okay, let's move to the next sentences. Okay, let's pay attention to Mauricio. Mauricio, what's example number 9?
After that, I am having a phone conference.
Okay, how do you spell having? How do you spell having?
What?
How do you spell deletrear? How do you spell having?
H A B ENG.
Oh, eng or ing?
Oh, ING.
Ah, very good. ing. So that's fine. Okay. I am having a fun conference. Very good. Let's continue. Tefi, what is the next sentence? Number 10. Then
I am giving a speech.
a speech. Good pronunciation, Tefi. Okay. And how do you spell giving?
G A mm, mm, no, espérame.
Okay.
Es que se me van las cosas.
Okay.
G I V E no. Giving. V E N G.
Okay. eng or ing?
N G.
ing. Okay. ing. Very good. So thank you. Let's move on. Maria Jose, what is example 11 at 4?
I'm taking T A
Okay, I am.
taking
Oh, how do you spell taking now?
T
Mm-hmm.
A
A,
K
uh-huh.
I N G.
ing. No letter E. Okay, very good. Let's see, continue, please. Alex, tell me, what is example number 12?
I am meeting with the Secretary of State.
How do you spell meeting?
M E E T I N G.
ing. Okay, very good. Thank you. Now, Rodrigo, what is example 13?
I am checking my email.
Okay, very good. I am checking my email. And how do you spell checking?
CHECKING.
Very good. So that's fine. Let's check our next person, please. Abigail, what is example 14?
I am taking.
Taking. How do you spell taking?
T I K
I?
I N G. A.
Oh, I or
sorry.
A?
So
Ah, very
A.
good.
So
Then,
T ing.
okay, K-I-N-G, very good. Now, 15. Mauricio, what is 15?
I am having dinner with the family.
How do you spell having?
H A B I N G.
Nice, okay, K-I-N-G, that's really good. And now, okay, my last volunteer. It will be difficult. Let's see, pay attention to Tefi, okay, Tefi. What is the last example? I
goes dancing with my wife.
goes. Yeah.
Sorry. I go dancing with my wife.
I go dancing. Okay. Let's check together. Okay, our examples, guys. Oops, check my answers. Okay, all the answers are correct, guys. Only 16. What is the correct structure, guys? So what is after that?
I am
I
going.
am
Going.
going. Very good. Remember, right now we are practicing present progressive for future. Okay, so very good job. Well, we did great practices, guys. We did an amazing job and we understood the structure of present progressive. Remember to speak and to practice sentences using I am, he is, she is. For example, Mauricio, what are you doing right now?
I'm finished class.
I am finished.
Finish. No. I am. I am studying in the class.
Okay, I am studying in the class. Okay, very good. I like your example. What about you, Andrea? What are you doing?
I am drinking water
Ah, okay, very
in this
good.
moment.
Okay. Now, Maria Jose, what is Andrea doing? What is Andrea doing?
Drinking water.
Now a sentence. What is the subject for Andrea? What is the subject for Andrea?
I am drinking water.
Are you Andrea?
I'm
He.
Very good, Mauricio. She, okay. Now you see, guys, okay? Sometimes it's confusing, okay? But it's okay. And what is the verb to be for she? Maria Jose?
she is drinking water.
Very good. She's drinking water. Thank you. Now, Alex, what are you doing now?
I am finishing the class.
Very good. You are finishing the class. Tefi, what is Alex doing? What is he doing?
She's doing, no, permítame. He's finished the class.
He is finished. Wait, finish the class? He's finished the class?
Finishing, parece que se dice.
Finishing, yes. Remember, we always have to pronounce ing, okay? So we always say ing. Very good, okay? It was a good practice, guys. I know today we only practice I am. Most of the sentences were I am. But well, in our next classes, we are going to practice more and speak about other people and about us, okay? Very good. To continue with our class, let's move to, let me see. Well, let's move to our last activity. What is the last activity for today? Number one, guys, it's our homework, okay? Let's check what is our homework for today? Okay, everybody, please work on the platform, complete the activities that you have over there. Well, today we are starting unit 3. So please complete the activities 3.0, 3.1, 3.1.1, 3.1.2, 3.1.3, 3.1.4, 3.2, 3.2.1, I'm sorry, and 3.2.2, okay? Most of the activities are very, very short, so please complete these activities. Well, before we go, I have a question. Did you do the exam? The exam, yes. Yes, yes, yes.
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 No,
Yes.
teacher.
No, come on,
No.
Rodrigo. Okay, come on. Okay, guys. If you didn't take the test, please do it today. Si no han tomado el examen, háganlo este día. Recuerden que a través de sus resultados, pues vamos viendo qué temas se nos han complicado o qué temas se nos han hecho confusos para poder tomarlos en cuenta al momento de hacer nuestro repaso general. Okay? I don't have anything else to say, guys. Just please continue practicing. It was a pleasure to see you today and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. See you
Bye. Have
tomorrow.
a good night.
Good night.